If you are holding XRP or cryptocurrencies, you better get ready. A massive move is about to take place in just a matter of hours or even a couple of days. You need to be prepared and understanding the implications of what is about to take place for XRP in crypto. It is absolutely massive. Bitcoin right now is starting to lose strength in this pump, so it could roll over in the short term. We could get a small short-term dip before we continue pumping. And we also have, guess what, coming up in June, potentially by the 17th of June, a spot ETF approval for XRP. So people are going to start buying XRP before June, and this is going to be your final chance to get in XRP before it takes off. In this video, we're going to be going over all these scenarios and situations. I have so much to share with you and show with you, so make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up and that you stick around to the end of this video. You cannot miss what I have in store for you today. So what we can see here, ladies and gentlemen, is the crypto market has pumped up. Bitcoin is consolidating, essentially forming a bull flag. But what we are seeing here, ladies and gentlemen, is while Bitcoin is, of course, consolidating, we are starting to see Bitcoin is no longer forming higher highs, and we are also forming lower highs and continually rejecting lower. We are still holding up strong, though, at this support. So things are still bullish, but volume is starting to go down. And when prices pump up, consolidate, the volume goes down, interest goes down, we will typically get a pullback. That's what it looks like. It doesn't rule out another little small pump, but I do think it's going to reject. And ultimately, I think Bitcoin is probably going to play out to something like this, where we could see a pullback to $95,000 to $97,000 for Bitcoin, which, if that does happen, it might not happen, but I'm really confident it is going to happen. XRP could potentially pull back between 220 and 230. This is the level, the most optimal buying zone for a retracement if we get it for Bitcoin. So if for XRP, sorry. So if Bitcoin gets that pullback, I'm really confident that XRP will come somewhere close into this region. This is where I'm looking to rebuy. Me and my group, through the buy alerts in the Patreon, the last alert for XRP was at $1.67, right at the literally pinnacle of the bottom. And I ended up selling around $2.25, somewhere around there. And then some of the group members still continued to hold, and they sold at $2.60, which was our price target, our original price target from these buys. So if you guys want to follow all of my exact trades, profitable trade alerts that's making people millionaires, we caught XRP at 40, 50 cents last year, loaded up, and we caught the entire move and have been milking it, taking profits. If you guys want to follow trades like this, make sure you join the Patreon right now. The link for that will be in my video description, but look at XRP. We have this ascending support, but we have since then broken it, and we are forming lower highs as well for XRP. Ethereum, this resistance took out all that liquidity, wiped out a lot of people shorting, and has broken back under resistance. So we're starting to see altcoins forming lower highs as well. This is Dogecoin. We are also seeing, just to give you an example, dog with hat. I mean, a lot of altcoins are bleeding out profusely, some of them as Bitcoin is just consolidating. So that shows us a sign that people are taking profits, and we're probably going to roll over with this momentum. But guess what? The dip in this rolling over of momentum is going to provide a buying opportunity in case you missed this pump, and to get in for the bull run, because this bull run has many, many more months left. So if you missed the pump, do not worry, it is just beginning. If you need help to understand when to buy and sell, obviously you have my signals, but you have my ALGOSNIPER trading indicator, which will tell you exactly when to buy. Look at the very bottom for Bitcoin, and it will tell you to sell at the very top. You guys can try this thing today for $1 at ALGOSNIPER.com. As well, if you guys are going to be trading cryptos, make sure you do it over on Blofin. You guys can get a $10,000 deposit bonus if you sign up using my link. If you sign up using my link, it's going to have the cheapest fees on the internet, period. Also, ladies and gentlemen, there is going to be an XRP ETF approval in June, most likely. They're saying by June 17th. So if we do get a dip or pullback, Yes, we might chop around a little bit. Ultimately, XRP is going to start taking off like crazy again, and it's going to be before the XRP ETF approval. People are going to start speculating and going crazy, and then when it gets approved, it's probably going to start pumping even further with all the institutional buying. It's going to be crazy. You guys better get ready, and if you guys got anything out of this video, consider giving this video a thumbs up, subscribing with notifications on, and I'll see you later.